In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add skills on LinkedIn, whether you're aiming to spruce up your profile to attract more recruiters, or simply want to showcase your expertise more effectively. LinkedIn skills are a vital part of your profile that should not be overlooked. Let's dive into the simple steps to ensure your LinkedIn profile reflects all your capabilities. First things first, you need to access your LinkedIn account. Start by navigating to the LinkedIn website. Here you can sign in using your Google account for convenience, or you can enter your LinkedIn credentials manually. At times, LinkedIn might ask you to complete a CAPTCHA verification for additional security. It's a quick step to ensure your account's safety, so don't worry. Once you're successfully logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile photo. If you haven't set one up yet, you'll see a placeholder or your initials. Click on this icon. After clicking on your profile photo, a drop-down menu will appear. Look for the View Profile option and click on it. This action will take you directly to your LinkedIn profile page, where you can review all the information you've already shared on your profile, from your summary to your experiences. Next, it's time to locate the skills section of your profile. As you scroll down your profile, you'll come across various sections like experience, education, and finally, skills and endorsements. This section might be further down your profile, so keep scrolling until you find it. Once there, look out for a plus icon signaling you can add new skills. Click on this icon. Here comes the fun part, adding your skills. A pop-up window or a new page will open, depending on updates to LinkedIn's interface. Here you can type in the skill you want to add to your profile. LinkedIn is quite user-friendly. As you type, it will suggest skills that match your input. This is handy as it ensures consistency and helps in connecting you with others who have the same skills. You can either select from these suggestions or continue typing in your unique skill. After selecting or typing in your skill, the final step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which could be at the bottom or upper right of the pop-up window or page you're on. Clicking Save will instantly add the skill to your profile, and that's it. You've successfully added a skill to your LinkedIn profile. Repeat these steps for as many skills as you wish to add. Remember, showcasing a wide range of skills related to your field can significantly boost your profile's visibility and attractiveness to recruiters and connections alike. Before we conclude, here's a quick tip. Regularly updating your skills section keeps your profile fresh and relevant. As you continue to grow professionally, make sure your LinkedIn profile reflects your evolving expertise. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to keep optimizing your LinkedIn profile to best represent your professional capabilities.